Merry Christmas. Let's clean this house last minute on Christmas Eve. So I am just dusting off the bookshelf and fighting my cat every step of the way because she loves to think she's helping. And once that is done, I add the photos back on and I straighten up the couch. My cat loves the yarn. I fill out some Christmas cards, and then I am on my way to send that off into the mailbox. Found my wallet in the couch, straightened up the shoes on the shoe rack, and since we got a new car, this was some of the stuff from our old car, and I'm just packing it up in this big bag. We have different things to check the tire pressure, different tools. I guess that's sandpaper or grit. We have some goggles for the snow. We have a glove and some nails. And there's me in my Christmas sweater. There's a glasses case and a pen and just different little tools that we're going to need along the way for our new car. I don't even know what that is. That's just a case of tools. Don't ask me. I just make the house look nice and I don't worry about the car. Hand sanitizer and a first aid kit. And that's just me checking the glasses. I cleaned up the fridge and wiped that down, changed the kitty box, and then I'm off to clean the bathroom, scrub the counters and the mirrors, get the laundry done, and starting the timer on that. Then I straighten up the kitchen. This is our drinks drawer, or like stuff to make drinks with. My hubby really likes the G Fuel, and I have some Swiss Miss. Then I have some emergency packets and some green tea. Then I'm off to do the dishes because I have neglected them way too long, and scrubbing the sink afterwards, pulling the dishes out to put them away later on, setting it for a hefty wash. That way I can clean off the counters in peace, as you can see here. I'm trying to keep my kitchen cleaner. I do have the VCR TV behind me, and then this is the kitchen afterwards with the final product, but that's not going to matter anyways. Here's some of my favorite vintage Christmas decor, aerial shot of the clean house, and I decided to bake cookies.